How to update apps on your iPhone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that open up your Apple Store. So once you have opened up your Apple Store icon from your home screen, you have to go to the update section. So tap on your update section or look for the update section, tap on your account. Once you are here, go for the app option here and you will find the different app that on your iPhone or not on this iPhone. Here you can see that, and here you have to look for the option of update under the available app. So just go and tap on the one of the app here and look for the option of update. So if there is not any update available, then you can just go back. So you have to scroll down and here you can see that which has been updated recently. So you can see that here. So if you find any update option beside this, you have to just tap on the update option and then your app will update it on your iPhone. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.